Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be planning using the Grand Plans Spring Cottage kit, and this is what it looks like. It is available on Etsy and I will leave it in the description for you guys if you want to go and purchase this kit. So this is the full kit. It's absolutely stunning. The blues and the yellows are just so spring-like. I just love it. I love all the full boxes and the designs of this. It's just stunning. So I've just converted this into a PNG and I'm just going to be laying down my days of the week first. Now I'm just going in with this beautiful washi. Look how spring-like this is. It's just absolutely stunning. I can't wait for some warmer spring, bright, sunny, blue sky weather. I'm so ready for it. Just look at these full boxes, guys. How cute is this little puppy? So yeah, I'm just laying down my full boxes. As you guys know, if you watch me, then you'll know I'm a very visual planner. So I like all the full boxes. I like all the kind of lists and things like that. So I do like to put down all my full boxes first. Absolutely fell in love with this double box. How stunning is that scenery? So now I'm just going to with some of these little headers, and I'm just going to do this little today sign, and I'm just going to place it right here, and I'm just going to add a little blue list under that as well, because I've got a couple of things I've got to do that day, and I'm just going to do the same on this side under the Thursday, but we're just going to go in with some yellow this time. Look at this stunning glitter washi. I had to use this. Now I'm just adding some of these little deco bits as well, just because I know that this is going to be like my cleaning list. Now I'm just incorporating some of the gold glitter, and I'm just putting a little bit here, and then adding a little bit on top as well. Now we're just moving on to the sidebar, and we're just making that nice and decorative. Again, we're just adding a little weekly box here. I know that on this day that I've got a little bulges, so putting that sticker there. Now we're just adding some full boxes just to take up some space, and just adding a little water tracker to the side track there, or shall I say sidebar. And we're just going in with some of these little deco pieces as well. This kit is absolutely fantastic. You get so much variety in it, and honestly I could have used so much more of the decoration stickers, but I had to leave some space to write because I'm quite busy this week. I'm just going to use this little yellow box here. That's going to be a little fitness tracker. And again, work's going to be for like uploads and like planning stuff and YouTube and stuff. So we still had this big blank space here at the side, so I'm just adding this little picture here, and that takes up that space. But look how stunning and spring-like this is. It's just absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love this spread. It's so nice. So this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for my next videos.